In this video, we'll learn how are we going to create our first post. Now, a post can be anything. For example, I can share my cover page or my logo. Maybe I can share that also as my first post. It's all depend on you. Or maybe you're coming up with a venture or with a program or with a campaign or some new offer. You can just share that thing also as your first post. You can create your post. So now let us understand how can you create your first post. Okay, so first we'll go down a little bit, we'll scroll down, and here can you see your option of create post. I'm going to click on this create post, and then first I'll add a image, okay, or a photo or a video, maybe whatever I want to add as my first image. Okay, so I want this, for example, I'll click on this, and then this one has been uploaded. Then what I need to do is add to your post. Now, but if I want to write something, what if I want to write something, or maybe I want to add some location, or maybe I want to write a feeling or activity, something what you want to write. How are you feeling, for example? I'll write here, okay, I can happy, or maybe happy I'm feeling, maybe sad, whatever emotions are going on with me, I can add as a feeling over here as an emoji. For example, I can just write for example, a step towards online education and all such things. So it's all dependent on you. How are you going to write? More options also you have. You can write the feeling, activity, you can check in, you can add a photo, maybe if you want to write a caption, you can write a caption. See, if for example happy, I'll take the example of happy, then I'll get all the emojis like happy. Okay, so I'll get the all emojis what I'm searching upon. I'm celebrating something, I'm watching something, I'm eating, I'm drinking, the activity I'm doing. Here I'll get the feeling I want to share upon. So it is all about that. Now if I want to write something, I can write also. It's all dependent on you what you want to do. For example, I'll do again create post. Okay, now I want to write something. For example, a step towards online education, and ... Maybe I want to write this, and then I can just share it. Means what I need to do is I have to click on this post and it would be posted. So it all depends on you. Maybe you can just write everything, and whatever you are adding as a photo or a video, your description, you should describe that. For example, I am adding the logo, so I am moving a step, I am stepping a step ahead on online education path. So I've written a step towards online education. So it all depend on you how you want to create your first post. Maybe you're into a new venture, maybe a new offer you want to give because you have just stepped down into this business. So whatever you're into, you have to do that thing. So here what I've done, I've just shared my image, okay, where I have a logo and the description of my page, and then I have written the caption, a step towards online education, what's going on in my mind. And if I want to share the location, I want to check in somewhere, then I can do it through here. If I want to share my feeling, the activity I'm doing, I can do it through here. And the next step is to just click on post, and it would be posted. So it depends on you guys that how do you want to add your first post. And it is very much easy. See, can you see here? A step towards online education, Big Wings online learning platform. Okay, so in this way, it's your turn, guys. to create your post, and it is very much easy. Just select the image. If you want to put a video, you want to upload a video image, you want to put you want to write some caption, you want to write some text only, you can write it down, you can note it down, you can write it down. Then something that describing about that image or a video. For example, I have written a step towards online education, that is describing about my image. And if you want to share your feelings, like I'm feeling happy, sad, whatever, then you have to write. If you want to share it there, you can just share it over there. You want to share the activity, for example, celebrating, eating, uh, walking, whatsoever it may be, so you can share that thing. By doing all those things, you can make your post more attractive. You can go on to others posts, you can see what posts they are sharing. For example, MACD only, so this is the new offer, so they have just shared their offer, they have shared their recent things they are doing. So see, this is their new offer. Treat yourself to your faves with exclusive offer on Swiggy. So what are you new into? That what you need to share. So in this I have shared just my logo. Okay, so it's all upon you that how you want to create your post. It should be attractive. It should be through your post only people are going to start liking your post, liking your page, and start following you. So you should do all efforts that it is attractive, so that people start liking your post, liking your page, and following your page. So our main aim is followers and likes and all of those things. So we will take all these steps that will help us to achieve the goal. So post is a very important thing for us, because people should like a post. So now you decide which post do you want to upload as your first post.